This program checks if a student can get a full scholarship or partial scholarship. It asks for the student's average grade and family income. If the grade is 90 or higher and income is below 200,000, the student gets full scholarship. Then, if the grade is 85 or higher and income is below 500,000, the student gets partial scholarship. If not, the student is not eligible.